is up, hunty? Welcome to a new episode of Baddies Love Canva. Make sure you guys are liking and subscribing so you don't miss out on any videos that we are putting out, right? We're about to get into this Acuity. On my Etsy site, you can get 5 banners, right? These 5 banners you can upload to Acuity, Wix, Gloss, Shopify, wherever you need to upload them for. Quick little tip on how to get Canva for 30 days for free. Make sure you guys are clicking the personal tab and it will take you directly to Canva free. Okay, you will get 30 days for free as long as you sign up with a brand new email. Now they will hold $1 from your account, so just make sure that you have $1 in that account. They'll send it back to you the exact same day. Let's go. Let me show you how to log in. You want to log in, click your profile in the top right corner, click purchases and downloads, click download files, and then you want to click the download button to download the PDF to your device. To open and access the PDF, make sure you guys are reading absolutely everything. Read the entire PDF to make sure that you are missing out on anything. But to get to the template, you want to click template 1 right here on this 3rd page. You can review some more of the different details, right? But we're gonna get right directly into the template. Always click use template for new design. Okay, and we're going to click the template for the new design. So this is how it looks after you order it directly from my Etsy shop. But of course, we about to make it look top notch, real jazzy like. Okay, so y'all know I like stealing pictures off Pinterest. Okay, so here's everything that I stole earlier. 1 2 3 4. I got this one off Timo. Boom boom bam. And we're going to add those pics to the Acuity banner. This is my crown jewel. I knew when I seen that one, that was going to be my lace artist right there. Boom. She just looked like she know how to slay some lace. Okay. And these are going to be her clients, her mock clients, right? Kudos to whoever the stylist of these are. Y'all are dope. Feel free to tag yourself down at the bottom if you ever find this video, or somebody else can tag them if you know their work. Love to connect, but for now we're going to use these for the stock models because just super dope, right? So I'm going to resize these and make sure that they look really cute. And then now that we have all the photos added to the banners, we're going to add the text in. Her name is going to be Lena. Yeah, it's going to be Get Laced by Lena. She's going to be the #1 wig slayer of the year, coming straight from Las Vegas, Nevada. Yes, baby. Yes. Okay. I don't know why I put 313. Detroit numbers are just stuck in my head. Sorry, baby. That's just what happened. It is what it is, right? Good thing is just a mock-up. It's not real. Okay. So we're going to change the address a little bit after we change the contact information, to Las Vegas, Nevada. And we're going to change the operation hours from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. because that's when she's going to be open, and she's going to be closed, Saturday to Sunday to recuperate from being on her feet for 5 days out of the week, babe. Okay, so here's the booking policies, and you guys can feel free to change these around. I decided to change them just a teensy tiny bit. Canva has a new feature on here called Magic Write, so you guys can play around with that, and AI will help you rewrite your absolutely anything that you put into it, any documents that you create on here, anything. So to help them prepare for their appointments, we're going to revise this a little bit too, because the sections were just too small. I feel like they weren't they were too tiny. The words were too tiny to read, guys. So I wanted to make the words slightly bigger. And we're going to move the hashtag to the front, and it's going to be hashtag Laced by Lena. Yeah. But let's put a little razzle dazzle on here. Put a little bit of lens flares on there. I know it's the front of the phone, but we're going to make it look like, it was a camera flash anyways, because it just looked cute right there. Okay. And I decided to take Lena out of the diamond photo frame, because that's really what it is. It's a diamond photo frame. I decided to take her out because I just love this picture so much. I feel like the diamond photo frame was cutting off a lot of her. So I'm going to take her out of there, and I'm going to actually delete that pink frame from behind her, put a shadow behind her to make it look like she's popping up off of the photo as well. I'm also going to go back later and make sure that I put her behind the shadow that I have on this picture. It's a gradient shadow that's down at the bottom. But for now, we're going to bling out her accessories just to make it match with the bottom of the Acuity banners, right? Let's go ahead and resize this because I feel like that's just ill. I don't really like how the Las Vegas, Nevada is spaced out. I'm gonna make this icon just a little bit smaller. Okay, and I think I'm liking this. I think that it's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this to my device, save all 5 banners, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add them over to Canva. And y'all, Canva surprised me today by showing me that they have glowed up, even though they showed 17 million other people before me. But oh well, they gave it to me and I'm showing it to you guys. If you haven't seen it yet, this is the new Canva. Yeah, okay, period. So now I'm going to go ahead and just add the banners over to here. I do, y'all, if y'all ain't noticed, I do a lot of drafts, right? So my drafts are just to help me basically drag and drop everything. It makes the process so much faster. As you can see the difference from when it had the shadow on it and it didn't. This is just a little segment teaching you guys how to add your Acuity banner onto Acuity. I did have to change the size to 1000 KB, which is just 1 MB. That's megabytes and kilobytes, and we're gonna upload that to the Acuity site and preview it, and this is how it came out. Let me know what you guys thought about this in the comments below. If you need help, click the link in the description, message me on Etsy, and we'll get right to it. I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye.